Hi everyone, welcome to Techies Hobbies. So in this video, I'm going to review Wi-Fi UPS. That is a UPS that is going to be connected to the router. So looking at the specs, it is a mini Wi-Fi UPS and it has an output of 12 VDC or less than 1 ampere, and it has a capacity of 2600 mAh. It says 2 into 2600 mAh. So yeah, box content is the mini Wi-Fi UPS cable and instructions. So the MRP says 3490, but I got it from Amazon for like 800 rupees. So hopefully this is a good product and it works. So there is also a serial number written, and the company is from Haryana, so it's a made in India product. So let's unbox this and see if it really works. So the packaging is somewhat like a mobile phone. Alright, so here you go. So I can see this is the mini UPS or battery, whatever you call it. So what it the main function for this is that it will give me an uninterrupted internet. So there are like sometimes power cuts. So since there is a generator here, it the power comes back on instantly, but the Wi-Fi router switches off, and to restart it needs more time. So that is one of the reasons why I got this. So it comes with the battery, and there are two cables. So let me try and connect this and get back. Alright, so this is the connection setup. So what I'll explain, that the power power cord which was usually connected to the Wi-Fi is going in the in port, and from the output is the cable which is given, and it goes and it connects to the Wi-Fi adapter. So to see it's if it really works, I'll have to once it charges, then I'll take out the in port and see if the Wi-Fi is still working, or maybe like switch off the off switch and see when there is no power, will it still work or not. Alright, so it has been a few hours since I have kept this on, and the light is still red, but I am thinking of just removing the plug to see if it still keeps it on or not. So let's see. I have removed it and it's turned green, and okay, that means when there is no power it turns green, and the Wi-Fi router is still working. So this UPS is working great. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.